Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Will the crypto market will bounce back again? Will it get its previous glory that it was getting previously? Can it sustain in long run? These are the questions that are going on in everybody's mind. So stay with me, see the entire video and acquire the entire knowledge about this topic. But before that, let me put this disclaimer very clearly that this video and all the videos in these channels are only made for educational purposes and it is not at all any investment advice. It is better to consult with your investment advisor before taking any financial decision. All the cryptocurrencies are basically software programming that has the potential to transfer the value from one person to another, like today's digital transactions. And for that reason, to get the true picture, I will be comparing the price movements of cryptocurrencies with top tech stocks. And for the best comparison, we will be comparing the major cryptocurrencies price movements with mainly Nasdaq and then Dow Jones, S&P 500, Wilshire 5000, and then Germany's DAX 30 index, and at last with France CAC 40 index. So without wasting your time and the time of mine, let's begin. In this global cryptocurrency chart, you can see at the beginning of the year of 2018, in the month of January, the market cap of all the global cryptocurrencies were at its all-time high, and then it has plunged, and at the end of the same year of 2018, it had tested its YTD low level in the month of December 2018. Now, while analyzing the historical price chart of all other altcoins or excluding the Bitcoin, you will find the same price movement similarities. At the beginning of the month of January 2018, all the altcoins prices were at its all-time high, and then gradually it has started going down until the December 2018, it had also tested its YTD low level. Similar price movement has happened in the month of November 2021 when the price of global cryptocurrencies and altcoins were at its all-time high and then went down to its starting points of February 2021 in the month of July 2022. Now let's compare the price movement of Nasdaq with it, where in the month of 2018 it was at its YTD high at 9528 points, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 7823 mark, and in the month of November 2021 it touched its all-time high of 16,563 points, and in the month of July 2022 it touched its YTD low level of 11,028 level. Similarly, if you compare the price movement of Dow Jones with it, where in the month of September 2018 it was at its YTD high at 31,062 points, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 27,503, and in the month of December 2021 it touched its all-time high of 38627 mark, and in the month of June 2022 it touched its YTD lowest level of 30,775 mark. Similarly, if you compare the price movement of S&P 500 with it, where in the month of September 2018 it was at its YTD high at 3421 points, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 2955, and in the month of December 2021 it touched its all-time high of 5,066 points, and in the month of June again it touched its YTD lowest level of 3785 mark. Similarly, in the same way, if you compare the price movement of Wilshire 5000 with global cryptocurrency price movement, then you will find that in the month of January 2018 it was at its YTD high level at 131.59 mark, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 117.37 mark, and then in the month of December 2021 it touched its all-time high of 233.97 points, and in the month of June 2022 it touched its YTD lowest level of 175.71 mark. Similarly, like USA, if you compare two major economies of Europe, that is France and Germany, you will find the same kinds of price movement in their indexes too. If you compare the price movement of DAX 30 of Germany with the global cryptocurrency market, then you will find that in the month of January 2018, it was at its YTD high level at 13,463 level mark, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 10,381, and then in the month of January 2022 it touched its all-time high of 16,020 points, and in the month of July 2022 it touched its YTD lowest level of 12,905. In the same way, if you compare the price movement of France CAC 40 index with global cryptocurrency price movement, then you will find that in the month of May 2018 it was at its YTD highest level at 5,637.51 level mark, and then in December 2018 it plunged to its lowest level of 4,626.39 level, and in the month of January 2022 it touched its all-time high of 7,115.77 point, and then in the month of July 2022 it touched its YTD lowest level of 5,931.06 point. In all these cases, the price movement seems quite similar except some differences in some months or some weeks. These charts are conveying a hidden and controversial message that cryptocurrency's price move in the same direction like other traditional equity investments. And the price movement of crypto coin is correlated with number 1, liquidity of money, number 2, interest rates, number 3, inflation, and number 4, the monetary policy taken by the central banks. Both in the year of 2018 and 2022, US Federal Reserve did some remarkable things. After the global financial crisis of 2008, due to the quantitative easing effect, the interest rates of USA till November 2017 was just 1.16%. Then in January 2018, it reached at 1.42%. Then on May 2018, it became 1.70%. Then till January 2019, it reached at 2.40% due to the quantitative tightening policy taken by the US Federal Reserve. And then the global market started plummeting due to the interest rate hike, resulting liquidity crunch in the global financial market. Similarly, though the European Central Bank's interest rate was staying at 0 in the year 2018, but still, due to the domino effect, CAC and DAX responded in the same way like US market. But now in the month of July 2022, this rate has raised up to 0.5%. And for that reason, again European market has collapsed and entered into the bear market category like US market. And because of this interest rate driven domino effect, like equity market, crypto market has also crashed in 2022 massively. So the conclusion of the story is, not only the global crypto market has come under the mainstream of investment in the year 2022, but it was already recognized as the mainstream investment instrument since the year 2018. The main difference is, in 2018 only few people knew about this crypto market and crypto investments, and in 2022 a lot of people got the information about crypto market and crypto investments, and they are putting their lots of money in these favorable assets. Now the question is, how long this interest rate will be increased by the central banks and the sovereign governments? And the answer is, all the central banks and sovereign governments will be increasing their rate of interest until and unless the inflation comes under control with lower unemployment rate in the economy. The moment the economy will start producing lower growth with relatively high unemployment rates, the interest rates will come back down again. And when the interest rate will ease and go down in near future, then again the crypto market will return back its glory with other equity market instruments worldwide. What do you people think about this? And if you have some different opinion about this topic, then kindly let me know in the comment box. Till then, bye bye.